The U.S. Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on Wednesday in the most important abortion case in decades, as the state of Mississippi puts up a direct challenge to Roe v. Wade, the 1973 decision that solidified a constitutional right to abortion. If the court overturns Roe, as some supporters fear, it could turn back the clock on abortion access in Mississippi and other states to a time when most of the U.S. criminalized abortion. As a woman who found herself needing an abortion in 1973, it's a time Barbara Phillips remembers well.
It was devastating, and I was desperate.
Months before she was set to start law school, Phillips was shocked to learn she was pregnant.
I was using birth control responsibly. It failed. I'm supposed to be going to Northwestern in August, and I'm pregnant.
Then 24, Phillips lived in a small town in Mississippi where the procedure was still not legally available. With help from a feminist group, Phillips traveled to New York for an abortion.
I was determined to decide for myself what I wanted to do with my life and with my body.
Now 72, she does not regret her decision. Phillips attended Northwestern Law School and became a civil rights lawyer with a long career. Years later, she had a son. But nearly half a century later, Americans are deeply divided on abortion rights.
Murder your innocent child.
National Right to Life President Carol Tobias said her organization was excited that the Supreme Court had agreed to hear the case.
We would love, of course, to see the court take this even further and use it, if not to completely overturn Roe, at least as a way to start to overturn Roe, because that needs to happen. But we're very excited.
Mississippi is among 12 states with so-called trigger laws designed to ban abortion if Roe v. Wade is overturned. More states would likely follow. With U.S. abortion rights under threat, Phillips, like many civil rights advocates, fears the consequences of a return to pre-Roe times.
But I'm afraid that many more women and girls will be in back alleys with coat hangers. You know, I worry we're going to find them on country roads, dead.